Okay, so check this out, guys. Today I got this in the mail, and it is a mechanical keyboard hot swappable bare bones. So lately I've been getting really into building my own keyboards and trying to build the best one, but also build a nice budget one as well. Here is a blue mechanical keyboard tri-mode, so you have your USB receiver, then it's got Bluetooth, and you can use wired as well with a Type-C port here, right here, and you just switch it on. And check out this, look at the colors, not bad, eh? Look at the sides, look at the back. You've got two stands, and you've also got rubber mounts as well, so it doesn't move when you use it. But it will be really exciting to see how I build this keyboard and what it looks like in the end. I'm pretty excited to build a custom keyboard out of this bare bones.